Zapping away boredom, an English idiom explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, zapping away boredom. This idiom might sound a bit quirky at first, but it's a fun and expressive way to talk about overcoming boredom. So, let's break it down and understand what it really means, how you can use it, and some examples to make it crystal clear. First things first, let's dissect this phrase. The word zap originally comes from the idea of emitting a sudden burst of energy or movement, often used in the context of sci-fi to describe lasers or electrical shots. Over time, zap has evolved to mean getting rid of something quickly or abruptly. So, when we talk about zapping away something, we mean to quickly eliminate or reduce it. The second part of our phrase is boredom. Boredom is a feeling of tiredness, lack of interest, or frustration that comes from not having something interesting to do. It's a feeling we all want to avoid or get rid of quickly. Putting it together, zapping away boredom means to quickly eliminate or reduce boredom by engaging in an activity that is interesting, exciting, or entertaining. Now that we understand what zapping away boredom means, let's talk about how you can use this phrase in your daily conversations or writing. It's a versatile phrase that can be used in various contexts, whether you're talking about personal experiences or giving advice to someone. In personal experiences, you can use this phrase when sharing how you managed to overcome boredom. For example, I zapped away my boredom by starting a new hobby. In advice, it's also great for giving suggestions to someone who might be feeling bored. For example, why don't you try zapping away your boredom by exploring a new book genre? To help solidify your understanding, let's look at a few examples of how zapping away boredom can be used in sentences. After weeks of being stuck at home, I finally zapped away my boredom by learning how to bake. My friend suggested zapping away boredom by joining a local sports club, and it turned out to be fantastic advice. Zapping away boredom doesn't always require going out. Sometimes, it's about discovering new interests online. And that's a wrap on zapping away boredom. We hope this video has not only helped you understand this expressive phrase but also given you ideas on how to combat boredom in your own life. English is full of interesting idioms and phrases that make it a rich and vibrant language to learn. Remember, learning a new language opens up a world of opportunities, and understanding idioms like this one is a step closer to fluency. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.